Good evening, friends. This is Anand Thakar, and I'm just going to go through this nice cycle track, which also has a walk track along with that, walk or a jog track parallel to it. And this is the best way to reach nearly the SNDT corner from the Bhandarkar Institute Road, and especially coming from the Ferguson College Road. Because from, let's say, Dnyaneshwar Paduka Chowk on Ferguson College Road up till Good Luck Corner, there is a fairly good cycle track made alongside the footpath, of course, which is encroached, but I've been attempting to use that anytime I go there. So today evening I was delayed. On the way back I'm going to use this track, and just want to show you how nice the track is. Okay, let's go. So let me hop on the bike, and there are these barricades which allow only cycles or pedestrians to come, but pedestrians hopefully will be less, because pedestrians go on the right side track. As you can see, it's parallel to it. Okay, so here am I on my kind of school time non-gear bike, which I use anywhere I go in Pune. So when I was coming from this path, on this path in the afternoon, it was pretty cool. Not because it's still very mild winter in Pune, but because there are good number of trees on both sides, and there was a very good shade, and hence it was very cool. So even in the midst of summer, this is going to be a very cool ride. So as you can see, it's close to 8 o'clock at night, and there are not many pedestrians on the walk track as well, and on the cycle track I am alone. And nice to see that there are no motorbikes here, because normally they break the barricades, and then the motorcyclists or scooter riders, they enter this space. But hopefully this has not happened. And there is a nice garden alongside which is maintained, and it's well lit up as well. So nice to see that there are no dark patches, and it's a lovely ride back from work to home. So this will now end at not SNDT directly. This will go close to another connection, from where I'll go towards Law College Road, and then cross over to another cycle track, which also I'm going to shoot, which is fairly dark and obviously not as good as this. It has been dug up, it has been reduced in width, and it is quite menacing. Okay, so here I am kind of getting off the bike now. These are the barricades at the end of it, and ahead you can see a cycle sign there to the other side of the road. Perhaps it's not visible clearly, but where the cars. So this is this road till Law College Road is actually a pavement, but I had heard that they were going to make a cycle track along this road also to have a better connectivity, but they have not done so. And this is what happens when a cyclist would like to go, even if a cycle track is made, and you look at these kind of things. So you can't really travel well with this. I'll still keep going. Okay, and let's see till what point I can go, and without too many potholes. Let's see.